Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your new shipping address on your 1688 or Taba account. So this tutorial is the same thing with setting up your shipping address on Taba account. Whether so if you're using Taba app or 1688 application, the process is still the same thing. So without wasting much of your time, before you get to this shipping address or to a particular place where you are meant to set up the shipping address, you should locate that easily by going to your cart. So I'm going to click on my shopping cart here, and this is the very home page of the 1688 that I'm locating this particular cart here. Now I'm going to mark these orders here, and then if you're wondering how I am able to get here, there's a video on this channel that teaches how to add and remove product from cart. So if you add the product to cart, this is where you are going to get. And if you need that video, I'm going to attach it on the video description so that you can follow it to get to this particular place, or to add the product to cart to be able to get here. So after selecting on the product, I'm going to click on this button here, which means process order, or proceed rather, depending on what you see on your own. So I'm now here, and then if you are not having any address on your 1688 account before, you will have a page that says you should set up shipping address. But I'm already having a new shipping, I'm already having existing shipping address on this account, so I'm just going to change it. And by doing that, I'm going to click on this forward arrow here, and then this page will pop up like this. And if you are not having any shipping address set up on this account before, this is the page that you are supposed to have initially. So the button by the left is saying you should set up temporary shipping address. A temporary shipping address is when you are giving the suppliers or the manufacturers a shipping address that they are going to use temporary for that particular order alone. You are not setting up the shipping address to be permanent on that account. So the button by the left, that is what it means. And then the button by the right says set up shipping address. So this set up shipping address alone, it means that the shipping address you are setting here is going to be existing on this account for as long as that account remains active. So this is the difference. So I'm going to click on set up shipping address because I want this particular shipping address I'm setting up to be permanent on this account. So I'm going to click on the button by the right, and this is where you need to pay very close attention. Now on getting to this page, I'm going to go and copy the shipping address I have that I want to set up on this particular account. So this is my shipping address here, and I already attached my phone number to it. And then I'm going to take it to the 1688 page, and then I will long press and paste the shipping address here. So after pasting the shipping address, I'm going to click on this button here. It means auto recognition. So what the button basically does is that when you click on it, it's going to auto populate all the other details that you have on this particular page that you are meant to fill up. So I'm going to click on the button here, and then I will wait for the auto recognition to do the magic. So you can see the auto recognition has auto populate all the information on this particular website, and you can see the shipping company name has appeared here, and then the rest of the informations are already there. Now after pasting the address and you have clicked auto recognition and everything has filled up, you're going to check it manually to ensure that the name you are having on this particular page belongs to the logistic company you are using. whatever logistic you are using, let the name be here. So secondly, you are meant to confirm this postal code, get it from your shipping company and fill it. And finally, you can see they are showing me a red signal, a red notification here. So it's because of the telephone codes there that's saying that shipping address cannot have punctuations or emotions, so you remove it away. And sometimes if they are showing you that red text, that means your address is too long. So you're going to translate the text and read whatever they're having there, and then you fix it on that address, and then you'll be done. And then before you click on the red button down here to save it, ensure that you check mark this button here. It says make this address default shipping address. So I'm going to, if you check mark this, then that means you are turning it to be your default shipping address on this account. So what is default shipping address? Default shipping address simply means this address will become your automatic shipping address on this account till the day you change it. So I'm going to check mark it here, and then I will click the button below to proceed. After that, I'm going to scroll down. This is the order, and then I will click this button below here to proceed, which means complete order. So it will load up and redirect to my Alipay. And what I'm meant to do on the next page is just for me to select my Alipay account that is linked to this particular 168 account, enter my payment password, and then the order will be confirmed. Now I'm not proceeding here. If you want to complete this order, or you know how to complete this order, go to my channel. I'm going to attach the video on the description here on complete tutorial on how you're going to place your order. So subscribe and turn on notification for next videos.